am retired from United Way. I was the interim executive director for On Track Greenville, which is a community initiative that was started to help Title I schools to try to help middle and high schools keep students in school and graduation, put them on a track toward economic mobility. I think that's a huge issue for our community. So I did that. That was my 5th interim executive directorship. Started with the Community Foundation. I did the YWCA, I did a Child's Haven, the Children's Museum, and then finally the YWCA. Before that, I worked for the hospital before it was Prisma, and was in philanthropy, and so I worked on a med school, worked on neurology, cardiology, and really wherever they told me to go try to raise money. So I worked a lot with the medical staff and also grateful patients who looking for ways to honor their loved ones who struggle with a health issue. And so before that, I was at Furman University, and I was at their first director of community relations. And then I also worked for Clemson University, where I was a consultant to do philanthropy for their Carroll Campbell Graduate School of Automotive Engineering. And that was a really fun experience. I got to work with the engineering department. Wayne Bennett was my boss. And it just shows you how much leverage Clemson University has to help us grow as a region. So growing the economy, they're an important part of this, of all of our efforts. Takes a coalition, takes partnerships. No one person can do it alone, and no one body can. And so I have prided myself on partnerships and coalitions wherever I've been. Dollars are thin. You're trying to patch together how can we make and leverage our resource and assets. And I think that's a really important part of, especially in government. I think you have a duty to the taxpayer to be transparent and fiscally responsible, but you also have a duty to those you're serving to pull them to the table and let their voices matter. I think neighborhoods' voices matter a lot.